Past Perfect English.
Listen, learn, and speak with confidence.
Welcome back to your daily shadowing English speaking practice. This is day 4 of the 5-day shadowing English speaking challenge, and today we're focusing on polite and natural English. Speaking politely is not about being formal. It's about sounding calm, respectful, and confident. This practice will take about 15 to 20 minutes. You'll listen, repeat, and speak out loud with me. Before we begin, relax your shoulders. Unclench your jaw. Open your mouth gently. Take a slow breath in and out. Today, let your voice sound friendly and relaxed. Let's begin. Sentence 1. Excuse me, may I ask you something? Excuse me, may I ask you something? Excuse me, may I ask you something? Good. Sentence 2. Could you please help me for a moment? Could you please help me for a moment? Could you please help me for a moment? Nice and steady. Sentence 3. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you very much for your time. Very good. Sentence 4. I appreciate your help. I appreciate your help. I appreciate your help. Excellent. Sentence 5. That's very kind of you. That's very kind of you. That's very kind of you. Well done. Take a breath. Notice how your voice sounds softer and more confident. Tell me in the comments, do you feel comfortable using polite English in real life? And where are you joining from today? You're doing really well. Let's continue. Sentence 6. Sorry, I didn't quite understand that. Sorry, I didn't quite understand that. Sorry, I didn't quite understand that. Good. Sentence 7. Could you say that again, please? Could you say that again, please? Could you say that again, please? Nice control. Sentence 8. Just a moment, please. Just a moment, please. Just a moment, please. Excellent. Sentence 9. That sounds good to me. That sounds good to me. That sounds good to me. Very good. Sentence 10. I'd be happy to help. I'd be happy to help. I'd be happy to help. Great. Sentence 11. Thank you for explaining that. Thank you for explaining that. Thank you for explaining that. Nice. Sentence 12. I understand now, thank you. I understand now, thank you. I understand now, thank you. Well done. Sentence 13. No problem at all. No problem at all. No problem at all. Good. Sentence 14. That's okay. Take your time. That's okay. Take your time. That's okay. Take your time. Excellent confidence. Sentence 15. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. Very nice. You're doing something important right now. Polite English builds trust, and trust makes conversations easier. Take one breath. Let's continue with the final section. Sentence 16. Excuse me, could you help me with this? Excuse me, could you help me with this? Excuse me, could you help me with this? Good pacing. Sentence 17. I'm not sure, but I think this is correct. I'm not sure, but I think this is correct. I'm not sure, but I think this is correct. That's strong. Sentence 18. Please let me know if I'm wrong. Please let me know if I'm wrong. Please let me know if I'm wrong. Simple and powerful. Sentence 19. Thank you for being patient with me. Thank you for being patient with me. Thank you for being patient with me. Excellent. Sentence 20. I'm still learning, but I'm improving. I'm still learning, but I'm improving. I'm still learning, but I'm improving. Beautiful. Sentence 21. I'd like to try again, please. I'd like to try again, please. I'd like to try again, please. Well done. Sentence 22. That makes sense. Thank you. That makes sense. Thank you. That makes sense. Thank you. Excellent. Sentence 23. I feel more confident speaking politely. I feel more confident speaking politely. I feel more confident speaking politely. Nice rhythm. Sentence 24. Being polite helps me feel calm. Being polite helps me feel calm. Being polite helps me feel calm. Very powerful. Sentence 25. I can speak English politely and naturally. I can speak English politely and naturally. I can speak English politely and naturally. Wonderful work. You just completed day 4 of your confidence reset, and you did beautifully. Today, you practiced polite and natural English, and the kind of English people really enjoy hearing. Did it feel easier to sound friendly today? Did your voice feel more relaxed? Tomorrow is day 5, the final day of the 5-day Shadowing English Speaking Challenge, where we'll bring everything together and speak with confidence in real situations. Save this video and repeat it anytime you want to sound calm and polite. The more you practice, the more natural your English becomes. This is past perfect English. Keep going. You're building real confidence. See you tomorrow.